After attending Oprah's Millionaire Mom Show last year, I became inspired to create my own product. Hi, my name is Carrie Van Riesen, and I'm a stay-at-home mom who created Naked Knobs. Naked Knobs allow you to customize your home anytime you want to with just a simple twist and some new contents to put in it to be displayed. If you ever get bored of the way that your house looks, it's so nice to have Naked Knobs because you can change them anytime you want. I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to change a naked knob. You hold the back of the screw, you untwist the knob, remove the base of the knob, empty the old contents, refill it with the new, twist the base of the knob back on, and then retighten and get it in the exact place you want. You can learn all about the details of Naked Knobs on my website at www.nakedknobs.com. Here's to you, Oprah.